These boots have to go into the ceiling facing down like this, and then the duct comes off the top. So this has to be pointed down and framed in. So the way I'm doing this is I'm going to be using lumber to frame a box around this boot so that I could then tie it into the rafters. For tools, I just have a tape measure and a drill, speed square. I'm going to do a pencil so I can mark things up where on the plans I want them. Now these screws I'm using to screw the actual boot through the metal into the lumber around it. These screws are for attaching 2x2s to 2x4s to 2x4s. We've made the 4 boots. Now all we have to do is take them into the house and screw them right into the rafters. And they'll hold because they're really not intended to hold up much weight. So we just put maybe 3 screws, probably 3 screws, and get them in there.